The Shah Jahan Mosque is a 17th century building that serves as the central mosque for the city of Thatta in the Pakistani province of Sindh. The mosque is considered to have the most elaborate display of tile work in South Asia and is also notable for its geometric brickwork, a decorative element that is unusual for Mughal period mosques. It was built during the reign of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, who bestowed it to the city as a token of gratitude, and is heavily influenced by Central Asian architecture, a reflection of Shah Jahan's campaigns near Samarkand shortly before the mosque was designed. The mosque is located in eastern That, the capital of Sindh, in the 16th and 17th centuries before Sindh's capital was shifted to nearby Hyderabad. It is located near the Makli Necropolis, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Shah Jahan sought refuge in That from his father Emperor Jahangir after he had rebelled against his father. Shah Jahan was impressed by the hospitality he received by the Sindhi people and ordered construction of the mosque as a token of gratitude. Construction of the mosque may have also been partially motivated by a desire to help alleviate the effects of a devastating storm that impacted the region in 1637 and which had nearly destroyed That. Shah Jahan's campaigns in Central Asia during this era influenced the mosque's architectural style, as Timurid influences were introduced into the Mughal Empire as his armies pressed towards Samarkand, in modern-day Uzbekistan. Despite the fact that the emperor was not in the region during its construction, and so was unlikely directly involved in its construction, its profuse tilework and intricate brickwork indicate that it was funded by the Mughals' imperial coffers. Persian inscriptions at the mosque indicated that it was built between 1644 and 1647 during the reign of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. An eastern addition was completed in 1659 during the reign of Emperor Aurangzeb. The mosque is characterized by extensive brickwork and the use of blue tiles, both of which were directly influenced by Timurid architectural styles from Central Asia, from where the previous rulers of Sindh, the Tarkans, had hailed before the region was annexed by the Mughals in 1592. The profuse use of tiles is considered to be the most elaborate display of tile work in the Indian subcontinent. Unlike the Wazir Khan Mosque in Lahore, another Shah Jahan-era mosque, the mosque in That does not employ the use of fresco. The mosque employs cobalt blue, turquoise, manganese violet, and white tiles. The mosque's dome is embellished with exquisite blue and white tilework arranged in stellated patterns to represent the heavens. Its walls feature calligraphic tilework, signed by Abdul Ghaffur and Abdul Sheikh. The mosque features extensive brickwork laid in geometric patterns, which is a decorative element unusual for Mughal era. The mosque's brickwork was also influenced by Sindhi vernacular styles, which in turn was influenced by Persian architecture. Brickwork is most notable in the arcades surrounding the central courtyard, while concentric rings of brick are used to embellish the underside of peripheral domes. The layout of the mosque may have been influenced by the conservative Timurid-style Humayun Mosque in Kachpura, near the city of Agra, in modern-day India. The main entryway into the mosque complex is through a Persian-style charbagh, or quadrangle garden. The courtyard is rectangular in shape and measures 169 feet by 97 feet. It is surrounded by aisled galleries, which are lined with 33 arches. The mosque's mihrab features pierced screens, an element that is commonly employed on Mughal funerary monuments, but unusual in Mughal mosques. The mosque features excellent acoustics. A person speaking on one end of the dome can be heard from the other end when the speech exceeds 100 decibels. Prayers in the main prayer hall can be heard throughout the entire building. The mosque is unusual for its lack of minarets. It has a total of 93 domes, the most of any structure in Pakistan. Restoration works were carried out by Emperor Aurangzeb in 1692. The mosque was inscribed on the tentative UNESCO World Heritage List in 1993. Please like, comment, and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.